So how to install FUTBIN FC24 draft builder. So just tap get and then double click to install, and yeah, you will be able to install the app. Uh, Number one, UT24 app. With the FUTBIN app, you can explore the UT24 database, build squads, play UT24 draft simulator, get current player prices, including historical graph, consumable prices, and player stats. Ever wanted to simulate and improve your UT24 draft skills? You're in the right place. With our UT draft simulator, you'll be able to get better in choosing the right players for your drafts. So here's the list: chemistry style, squad building challenges. So all of the things here, as you can see, this app in the top charts in sports category in US, and then you can just open it up. And then here you can just go like in the version with the ads, or you can upgrade to FUTBIN Gold and all of this. Then you have home. And then yeah, you can just see player filters, draft simulator, custom squad builder, and then just see here some popular players, see some stats, analytics, information about it, styles. So yeah, pretty cool app. Then you can see a lot of comments as well. Builder, so you can also do this builder thing, SBC. So yeah, all of the things here you can just adjust. I need to say the app is a bit like kind of complicated to start with, but you can get hand of it in the time.